Nodhe kaka jaloch tuke mag golf ma KCB series mano bagi county ma Kakamega kuna Chandaria no bedo joloch kidieny mar yowuoyi bang yudo points prangwen kai kidieny mar wakeni Lydia Hokech no yudo loch bang yudo points prangwen. Team mar Cedrick Konzolo, Jack Songwa, Victor Mohando kachiel gi Julia Soketh no bedo gi points ma kanyakla mar 116 kendo bedo joloch tuke mag motim kawuono.
To win, you must put effort in our practice. And therefore, I did it, and that's why I was the winner of KCB tournament. Eyes on the ball, slow back swing, just be on the fairway, anywhere on the fairway.
This year, we're living up to our promise we made last year to make this edition even bigger and better by traversing 20 counties in Kenya and 4 countries in the East African region: Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, and Uganda. We actually intend with that to interact with over 3,000 golfers, 500 ladies, and 1,000 juniors through the clinics that will run concurrently with the series in a bid to expand the sport and give everyone an opportunity to enjoy the regional competition.